Hey, Car Connection fans, welcome aboard. We are ready to test our repair on the Snowblower. We got the kit in there, needle and seat. A little clue is to make sure that your seat that's going in behind the needle, you don't go in a bit too deep, because then you'll have a leak. So you want to make sure that put the seal in, push it in like I did with the punch, very gently, and then put the needle in the hole, see how far it's sticking out. If it's sticking out too far, push it a little bit more. So you want to make sure you don't go too deep or too shallow. If you go too shallow, then the float level is going to be too low and it's not going to run. It'll run, but it won't run wide open throttle because there won't be enough fuel there for it. So we're ready to fire this up. Don't forget our website, carconnectionbusinessnetwork.com, ccbusnet.com is the biggest drawer in our toolbox for you to connect with our program partners. And this video brought to you by Rainbow Motors and Garage, sales and service you can trust in Scarborough, Ontario, Canada. Just click on the logo for our program partners and recommended businesses on our homepage, and also on the homepage is all the platforms that you can find us on in the top right-hand corner. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Stevensville on the web, iHeartRadio, and also our merch stores right there. Well, it's time to give this thing a road test. Let's see if it'll start. Choke, little lever, gas is open. Is it open? It is open. Road test. Contact. have it, sports fans. Motor mouth snow blowing, class 101. Changing the needle and seat and installing a carb kit. Piece of cake. Job done. It's gone. Now Skippy can't drive into it. What will we do next? Well, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. I think it's time for a hot cup of joe and a snack. Some kind of snack. So thanks for passing by. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's see if it'll start on the first pull, shall we? All right. Okay. Contact. Yeah, baby! Don't forget to shut off your fuel. And don't forget to turn it on when you go to start it. Otherwise it'll run and then it won't. All right, so till next time, you never know what we're going to get into here in the Car Connection Workshop. The bro is sitting here. That's going to come in the spring. It's ready for us to build the engine. And we're pulling the door down, pulling the air hose in. It's time for a cup of joe. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, check out the homepage of our website. That's the biggest tool drawer. Biggest tool. Yeah, that's the biggest drawer in the toolbox, so that you can connect with us. All the links that you need are available on the homepage, top right-hand corner. And our merch store is there, and all our program partners and those business owners that make this episode of Car Connection and the Car Connection Workshop available to you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. If you enjoyed the video, like I know you did, ring the notification bell.